In this video, we are going to go through the first steps to get your Witbox 3D printer up and running. To start off, insert the spool holder in the slot at the rear of the printer. Once you have done so, you can switch the printer on. Remove the protective plastic from the acrylic base and place it in its support. Press the wheel in the control panel and go to Control and then to Level Plate. Press the wheel once more to start leveling your Witbox. Before proceeding, make sure that the nozzle in the extruder is cold. Otherwise, go to Control and select Cool Down. Place a piece of paper between the base and the nozzle and turn each of the knobs until you can feel some friction. Once you are done, press the wheel again to move to the next point. We are now going to load the plastic filament. Cut the filament diagonally and insert it in the guiding tube. Push the filament until it reaches the blue ring, then push about 3 more centimeters until you reach the end. Now go to Control, Filament, and Load. The printer will start heating up. When it reaches the ideal temperature, you can select the option Insert and press. The printer should start extruding plastic. Remove it and insert the SD card, which already has several designs. To verify that everything is working correctly, it is important that you start by printing one of the twisted box designs. Close the door of the Witbox and wait until the printer starts. When it is done, the base will move to its lowest position. Take the base out from the printer and remove the object carefully. To verify that the part has been printed correctly, make sure that it fits with the printed sample that came with your Witbox. And this is everything you need to know to start enjoying the exciting experience of 3D printing. Please stay tuned in our channel for more tutorials. See you next time.